Hey, I'm back. So I was playing around with Schoology real quick, this quick little tip. We are telling our kids that they still need to go to iReady Reading and Math and Imagine Learning if they go on Imagine Learning. It's part of their little stations that we have set up. So we have little activities after our lesson that they're going to do in first grade. And I know all your other kids go on stuff too. So this is my Schoology page, and I'm in the reading folder on Wednesday, and you can see that I've created a page. So instead of like creating a Word document and saying like, hey, make sure you go to iReady and do your minutes, you can create a page on here so you don't have to make a Word document and then download it and then save it on your computer and then upload it to Schoology. You can just go into Add Materials and click Add Page. And then I already have it all typed up, so I'm just going to paste it in here. So I said go to iReady Reading or Imagine Learning and do 20 minutes of learning. I'll be checking your minutes at the end of the week. Remember to try and get 100%. So I did all of these like cool little colors and things. You can change the color of your text. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can make it bold, italic, underline it, all kinds of things. And then you title it, and I'll title it iReady Reading or Imagine, and then I'll click Create, and it's in there. So let me delete the old one real quick. And so then when your kids go into their little folder and they see your video and they do like a discussion, and then they can click on this and they can see, okay, now I have to go to iReady Reading or Imagine Learning. Okay, so that's really simple. That's easy to do. Instead of making a Word document or a PDF or whatever you decide to make, just stick it on a page and create it on Schoology. So that was really helpful for me because I didn't want to have to make a million things on my computer and then try and upload them. So do that instead. All right, I'll be back with more tips.